Population replacement, sometimes called demographic replacement, refers to the process by which the demographic composition of a region or country changes dramatically due to significant immigration, differences in birth rates between ethnic groups, or both. The concept has become controversial because it implies the displacement or dilution of an existing native population by incoming groups with different ethnic, cultural, or religious backgrounds. Historically, population replacement has occurred naturally through migration, conflict, or colonialism. For example, large-scale migration into the Americas by European settlers resulted in profound demographic changes, significantly reducing the indigenous populations and reshaping cultural identities. In recent decades, the term is commonly associated with concerns around mass immigration, especially in European and North American contexts, where increasing numbers of immigrants and their descendants may gradually alter the demographic profile of nations. Advocates of population replacement through immigration argue it is necessary to address declining birth rates, aging populations, and labor shortages, which can threaten economic stability and sustainability. Countries such as Germany, Japan, and Italy face rapidly aging populations, with fewer young workers to support retirees, creating economic strain. Immigration can alleviate this demographic imbalance by providing younger, economically active individuals. Critics, however, claim that uncontrolled immigration risks eroding social cohesion, diluting national identity, and creating cultural and political tensions. Some fear it might lead to decreased political representation and marginalization of the native population's cultural traditions. The concept has fueled politically charged debates, with extreme interpretations sometimes manifesting in conspiracy theories like the Great Replacement, which allege deliberate, orchestrated efforts by elites to replace existing populations. The demographic reality behind population replacement involves complex factors including birth rates, immigration policies, economic needs, and global migration trends. In practice, it is rarely the result of a single factor or deliberate policy, but instead arises from a combination of social, economic, and political circumstances. Understanding population replacement requires recognizing both its potential benefits, such as economic revitalization, and its challenges, including integration, cultural preservation, and maintaining social harmony. Overall, population replacement remains a sensitive, multifaceted issue, reflecting broader anxieties about globalization, national identity, and demographic change.
Thanks for watching. If this breakdown on population replacement helped you understand the topic more clearly, please give it a like and subscribe. Stay informed on global trends that shape our societies. More insightful content is just a click away.